What up, YouTube family? So, I've been on my natural journey for about a month now, and I'm starting to like my natural hair. I honestly am so shocked. I cannot believe it because I used to love my hair nice and straight and laid. You know what I mean? Like it, I used to love it. It was just perfect for me. It was easy and it lasted a while, and it was really low maintenance. Honestly, the most I would do, I would flat iron it once a week, and if it I got tired of the look, I just flip the front up, down, or up. You know what I mean? Do like the little 70s and flip it away. But now I'm actually starting to like my natural hair better than flat iron, which is very scary for me at least because it's a total 180. But you know what? I'm feeling it. I'm feeling natural hair. You know what I mean? It's nice. It's healthy. You know what I'm saying? My roots is looking good and my ends is looking healthy. It has been, I'm gonna say, probably about a month when I officially declare my hair journey since I clipped my ends. But I think I might wait a little bit longer to do so. Usually I do it every month and a half. So I think I might wait about 2, 3 months before I really clip them because I just kind of want to see how fast it's really growing. I think if I clip them like I usually do, I'm not really seeing the progress. You know what I mean? And honestly, I haven't gotten to a distinctive routine yet with my hair. So I think now that I've gotten my new products, which I did display on the July new products or whatever video, plus on my new hair tutorial video with my first time using the new products. That's the first time I use them. Of course, that's the title. I'm done for even saying that, but I like those products, and I think that's going to be my routine now. Honestly, I really like that, and I think the style I did, which is what I have right now, the braid out, it works for me. It does take a while because you do French braid your whole hair, but for my type of hair, since it is a 3C, it's not as tight of a curl as I would need for it to take with like a twist. I actually need the braid. The braid is a little bit more secure, and it holds my hair in place longer, and I like it. I like it this far. So I think I'm gonna stick with those products because they seem to be working really well. My hair feels moisturized. It is a little oily. I have to say. I think I need to lessen the amount of the spray argan oil that I've been using because it is a little bit oily for me. Like I can feel it. I mean, it makes my skin feel delicious. Honestly, it feels very soft. My hands feel great just from doing my hair. But I should probably use just a little bit less. But it looks nice and I love it. So as far as hair products go, I think I'm gonna have a new routine that I'm going to stick to as far as products. So that's what I'm gonna have. Like I said, I like the hairstyle I've been doing. I really haven't felt comfortable with other things I've tried, which is why I haven't really uploaded anything different besides that. Um, but I'll try some different stuff. I mean, I really will. I'm a little nervous and apprehensive on that because I don't know with my length my hair is curly if I can do some of the things I've seen with natural hair. You know what I mean? And since mine isn't as kinky as some of the beautiful black women on here, I can't do some of the hairstyles. Like I said, it won't really particularly take to certain hairstyles that they have been doing. So I'm trying to find what's right for me. But I definitely will continue doing videos and continue showing you my routine. And hopefully you're interested in watching. I did buy some new things, and you're gonna see me in videos trying to use these things. And I definitely want to show you one in particular. So one of the things I wanted to really, really show you, it's might look weird, but if you can kind of see from the picture, even though you might not be able to read it, it's probably backwards on your screen. It connects to your hair dryer, and it's just this little inflatable thing, and it acts as an actual head dryer. You know what I mean? It goes around your whole head instead of just using the handheld and slowly taking your time going around your head. You can actually use this particular item as a full head dryer. I have yet to use it. I am a little nervous about it because if it doesn't work, I'm gonna kind of be upset. But I did buy it from Sally's Beauty Supply, so I can return it. I have 60 days to return it, and of course, your girl kept the receipt. I always keep the receipt until those 60 days are up. I keep the receipt. So I'm definitely gonna use that. It's made by Conair Pro. So and so is my hair dryer. So it should fit on there. It says it fits on most hair dryers, so it should fit on mine. And I hope it works, because when I do like the braid outs and stuff like that, or even the twist outs, if I'm doing a deep condition, whatever I'm doing to my hair, and I need to dry it, and I need to dry it quickly instead of waiting hours and hours for it to air dry and then using the handheld dryer to make sure it's completely dry, like I have been all these years. I actually really needed a full hair dryer. I was thinking about buying one of the kind of professional grade ones you can keep in your house, you know what I mean, that you can actually sit down in your chair and have it over your head, and you can read a magazine for 30 or 45 minutes while you're underneath the dryer. The product I actually bought, the hooks onto my hair dryer, it was only $10 at Sally's. So if it works, I'm gonna keep it. I'm definitely gonna try to sell it to you guys because it looks like it might be a good investment. So I'm gonna try to use it on some type of style, and I will definitely upload the video and hopefully it comes out good, you know what I mean? And if it does, I suggest it if it does. So definitely be looking for that video, me with this big weird hair dryer thing. Hopefully it works out. But until then, check out the channel. I got some good videos on there. Everything from me shooting a 12 gauge, from me getting a really bad tattoo. It was right here that I got touched up and redone. And for me doing my hair and everything. So I got some cool videos, and I hope you guys watch them and like them because I'm interesting. I'm a little weird, a little quirky. So it might be some awkward stuff on there, but you might like it. So check me out and definitely tune in for me with the big hair dryer thing. It will be coming soon, all right? So watch out for me.